Good morning, student. Student, how are you? I hope you are all well at your home, and I hope also that you have completed your notebook. Okay, and student submitted it in just upcoming Friday in school office for the correction work. Send only chapter 1 to chapter 7 only, and rest part I will check in the next session. Okay, so don't come in school, send it through your parents only. So follow the instructions, and now open your science book. Student, as you know, in the previous class I have completed the topic force, effect of force and types of force. After that I am completed the concept check. The next topic, that is energy. The ability to do work is called energy. Okay, energy, from where do we get found it? From food. So there are various form of energy which are found in our surrounding. Okay, various form of energy. In the previous class I have completed the mechanical energy and heat energy. Mechanical energy is an object which is found in their rest position. In rest position, it is potential energy. When it flow, means it comes in the kinetic energy, it will convert into mechanical energy. Suppose when a dam water is fallen down, there the many turbines are set up in the base of the dam. So they rotate the turbine very fast and generate the electricity. So this type of energy is called the mechanical energy. From potential energy, when water is rest form in the potential energy, when is flown from the height of the dam, so there is turbine set up in the base of the dam. So the flow of water rotate the turbine and produce the electricity. And second, this is the heat energy. Heat energy generated from the coal, fuels, wood and kerosene, diesel, for use of making of the food and automobiles, for the generating of the automobiles. And third is today I will explain the next form of energy. So all of you ready and open the chapter number 9, force, energy and simple machine. Write down for date. December 2020, class 5th, subject science. Today's topic is different forms of energy. According to your book, today I will explain about the third form of energy, that is called the light energy. Light energy. What is this, student? Light energy. Student, in our earth, sun is the ultimate source of light energy. And due to this light energy, due to this energy, we can see the object in our surrounding with the help of our eyes, because the rays of light reflect on the object and comes in on my eyes, so that we are unable to see the object in the presence of light. The other sources of light is the tube light, candle, torch, okay, and bulb. So this is the form of light. Okay. So light energy is only from the energy that we see to our eyes. Okay. Help us to see things. Help us to see things in our surrounding. Example: sun, tube light, bulb. Okay. Lamp. This is the form of light energy. Second, fourth is sound energy. Sound energy is another form of energy by which when object vibrate, they produce sound. When an object vibrate, they produce sound. This is another form of energy. Sound is generally from the vibrating object. Okay, from the vibrating object. Flute, harmonium, guitar, GY, guitar, FLU, flute, harmonium, drum, so many other sound instruments which produce sound. Okay, so loudspeaker, musical instruments such as flute, tabla, okay, tabla produce sound. I think you have no any doubt. Okay, so sound is another form of energy produced when a force cause the vibrate. When any force cause the vibrate, such as you can produce by beating them or producing electricity in the instrument that vibrate and they produce the sound. The next is electrical energy. Fifth, we generally use in electrical appliances. Electrical energy which produces from the power station. Electrical energy. GENE, generate from powerhouse, power station, such as any dams, embankment, and the generator also. GENE, generator. You know, the heavy machines in the industries run through the electricity, which are produced from the generated from the power station. Okay, so the power stations generate electricity and send it through their wires in our houses, in our industries and cities. Okay, so it is used industry to run. It is used in industry to run heavy machine, and also used in industry to run heavy machines. It is used in our house for run as to run washing machine, okay, using the tube light, laptop, television, to recharging the mobile, to recharging the what? There is a battery which is used in the absence of the electricity. Okay, when they recharge by the electricity, they produce electricity also. Okay, and also charging for the UPS also. Solar energy. So electrical energy is the form of the non-renewable or renewable both. When it is used by the coal, and some electricity produced by the water. Okay, so solar energy. Seventh is the solar energy. It is produced by your solar because sun produces the light energy. It comes in the form of the light ray. Okay, so it is a non-renewable. It is a renewable source of energy. Okay, renewable. It is used in generally for making food by solar cooker, solar heater, for heat the water, for food. Okay, so this is energy. It is a renewable form of energy. Produce light. Okay, because in the daytime the solar panel recharges the battery and produce the light. The next is the geothermal energy. Geothermal energy. It is also renewable source of energy. It is found deep inside our earth. In deep inside earth, there are so many heats are also conserved inside the deep of the earth. When they also generate energy to produce electricity. To use as the electricity. Okay, this is found in the inside the deep of the earth. It is also called as geothermal energy. To generate electricity. Okay, so just revise the form of energy within 1 minute. First of all, learn the form of energy, different form of the energy, and what is the uses of there. Okay, so all of you first of all read the mechanical energy, heat energy, light energy, sound energy, and electrical energy, solar energy, geothermal energy. Okay, read this just. Okay, now student, ready with pencil, pen and classwork copy. Write down the concept check after that. Completing of the topic, energy and form of energy. Okay, all of you get ready to write down the concept check in your copy. After that, you will write down this in your fair copy. also going to take the book for the explanation of the question answer. Oh. Page number 106. Say true or false, also correct the false statement. Say true or false, also correct the false statement. Write down this. Okay, student, list the one line for the question and write down the right answer in the classwork. Okay. Don't write in the fair copy, because if you write down neat and clean, you can write down in the fair copy also. Direct. Question number 1 and their answer. A waterfall has both the kinetic and potential energy. True. Because when it is stored by making the embankment, they are the form of potential energy. When they are running form, they are form of kinetic energy. So it has the both form of energy. Energy stored inside the object is called heat. Energy stored inside an object is called heat energy. No. Stored energy inside an object is called. Okay, student, I will explain this. Has correct statement. Energy stored inside an object is called heat energy. Energy exists in many forms. It has a renewable and renewable energy that can be replenished or Energy stored inside an object is called okay. First of all, accept this question. Third, answer. A computer uses electrical energy. True. Fourth, we can create energy in the laboratory. Question number false. Four, false. Because energy can neither be created, because energy not be created, okay, not destroyed. In second also, the energy stored inside an object is called heat energy also. You know the heat, because coal, wood and kerosene store energy inside them. When they are burned, they generate energy. Okay, so second is also true. Fifth, hydroelectricity is a non-renewable form of energy. Hydroelectricity is generally produced by the water. So non-renewable source of energy, it is renewable source of energy. Answer 5. False. Because hydroelectricity is a renewable form of हाँ. Okay, student, I hope you are all written this in your copy. Write down today homework. Learn form of energy. Learn first form of energy and learn concept set page number 26. Okay, read form of energy first and learn concept check page number 106. Okay. Okay, I hope student all of you completed your exercise and submitted 1 to chapter 7 for correction work in next upcoming Friday. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Your class is over.